Understanding, I'm torn between, a guide to decision-making dilemmas. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or used yourself. I'm torn between. This expression is a powerful way to describe a common human experience, being stuck in a decision-making dilemma. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples to help you master this phrase. When someone says, I'm torn between, they're expressing that they're facing a difficult choice between two or more options and are unsure about which one to choose. The word, torn, here vividly captures the feeling of being pulled in different directions by these options, each with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. It's a phrase that conveys emotional conflict and indecision. Using this phrase is quite straightforward. Typically, it's followed by the options one is considering, often connected by the word and. For example, I'm torn between studying engineering and pursuing a career in art. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Tips for usage. Be clear about the options. Ensure the choices you're torn between are clearly stated after the phrase. Express your feelings. This phrase is particularly useful when you want to share your emotional struggle over a decision with others. Combine with reasons. Sometimes, it's helpful to follow up this phrase with reasons why you're torn, to provide more context to your dilemma. To give you a better understanding, let's look at a few examples of how I'm torn between can be used in sentences. 1. I'm torn between buying a new car or saving the money for a future investment. 2. She was torn between accepting the job offer in New York or staying closer to her family in Chicago. 3. We're torn between taking a vacation to the mountains or spending a week at the beach. These examples showcase how this phrase can apply to various scenarios, from personal decisions about purchases or career moves to collective dilemmas about vacation plans. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, I'm torn between. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this expression to articulate moments of indecision and conflict. Remember, being torn between options is a universal experience, and now you have the perfect English phrase to express it. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and expanding your English vocabulary.